Hello, today we will guide you through how to log into your Claude AI account. To begin, open a web browser on your device. You can use any common browser you prefer as long as it is up to date and working normally. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar or address bar so you can begin looking for the Claude login page. Next, type in Claude and run the search. This should bring up a list of results related to Claude AI. Take a moment here to look carefully at the results page. Since login pages are important, it's always a good idea to make sure you are selecting the correct and official website rather than a third-party page or unrelated result. When you see the official result for Claude, click on it to open the correct page. After the website loads, you should arrive at the main sign-in area. This is where you'll choose how you want to access your account. If the page takes a few seconds to load, that's completely normal, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. From here, you can enter your login details in the available fields if you already use a direct sign-in method. Be sure to type your information carefully to avoid errors. If your credentials are saved in your browser, you may also see an autofill option, but it's still worth checking that the correct account information is being used before continuing. If you prefer not to enter login details manually, or if your account is connected through Google, you can select the Google sign-in option instead. Click on Sign In with Google and then follow the on-screen instructions provided. This usually involves choosing the correct Google account and confirming that you want to continue. If you are already signed into Google in your browser, this process may be even faster. As you move through the sign-in process, simply follow each prompt that appears on your screen. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to verify your identity or confirm access before you are fully logged in. Just complete those prompts as instructed. Once everything is accepted, you should be taken into your Claude AI account. At that point, you're ready to start using the platform. If you have trouble signing in, double-check that you selected the official page and that the account method you chose matches the one originally used to create your account. This can help avoid the most common login issues. That's it. You've now learned how to log into your Claude AI account.